Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to reveal the secrets behind one of the most successful YouTubers of all time, MrBeast. With over 255 million subscribers and billions of views, Jimmy Donaldson, MrBeast, has taken the world by storm. But what makes him so successful? Let's dive in and find out. Secret number 1. Unconventional content. MrBeast's content is unlike anything else on YouTube. He isn't afraid to think outside the box and push the limits of what's possible. By doing so, he's created a loyal following of viewers who can't get enough of his unconventional style. Secret number 2. Consistency is key. MrBeast uploads videos almost daily, which is unprecedented for a channel of his size. This consistency keeps his audience engaged and coming back for more. He's proven that regular content is crucial for success on YouTube. Secret number 3. Collaborations and networking. MrBeast has collaborated with some of the biggest names in the YouTube community, expanding his reach and building relationships with other creators. This networking has helped him stay relevant and tap into new audiences. Secret number 4. Philanthropy and giving back. MrBeast has used his platform to make a positive impact on the world. His philanthropic efforts have inspired millions and shown that success isn't just about personal gain, but also about giving back to the community. Secret number 5. Authenticity and passion. MrBeast's passion for YouTube is infectious. He's authentic, genuine, and true to himself, which resonates with his audience. He's proven that success comes from doing what you love and being true to your vision. There you have it, folks. The 5 secrets to MrBeast's success on YouTube. Remember, success isn't just about views or subscribers, it's about being true to yourself, pushing boundaries, and giving back to the community. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.